So if you want to see how I created this look using the Tribe palette, just keep on watching. Okay, so going in with the Tribe palette by Juvias Place, like just to remind ourselves of what the palette itself looks like. And the last time that I used this, I created a very green kind of look. So first I'm going to go in with this yellow here. Yeah, I created a very green kind of look, and there are some other colors in here. There are some browns. Well, there's a brown and there's an orange, gold. I think there's like a shimmery orange, like a shimmery brick orange kind of thing going on also. So I wanted to see what else I can create. I've had a major breakout here on my cheek. Ugh. So I'm definitely going to be cleansing my skin and all of that. So I'm starting by stamping on this yellow and kind of just blending it up to the brow, but so that it kind of like feathers out at the brow. Yes. And then I'm going to go in with this brown Ashanti. That shade has a lot of kickback. I'm kind of just going in the crease. It's kind of blending into the yellow really nicely, but I am going to take that brush with the yellow on it, just pick up a little bit more yellow and just go along the edge where the two of those meet so that it makes it a little bit more blended. Yeah, like that's nice. That is nice. Then using my little crease brush, I'm going to go in with Sand here at the bottom, and I'm going to kind of put it on the outer edge. So we do still have some green that is pigmented, so if you are going to be using this, just be aware that this is like one of those little goes a long way kind of colors. Okay, I'm going to use, this is a crease brush that I've already used previously. I'm just going to use it to blend out that green, just diffuse it a little bit. I think I need just a tad bit more here. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Now I can use this brush and just diffuse it a little bit so it's not so boom in your face. I think I need a tad bit just here also. And with this brush, I'm just making the shape that I want it to have, but at the same time I'm still not losing that brown. Like I can still kind of see the brown in the background. Then again, using the brush that had the yellow on it, I'm going to get a tiny little bit of yellow, and I'm just going to just go along the edge of that green and brown so that I can just blend those edges. Yeah, that looks so much better. Now using a flat brush, I'm going to go into Chaga, this middle gold shade here. Like this is, whew, like such a beautiful gold. I'm going to just spritz this brush also. I'm just going to pop that right on the lid. Bring it all the way to the corner. That is so pretty. Using that brush that has the green on it, I'm just going to go over the line where the two meet. Now that is so cute. Yes. Okay. So this is the final look that I created with the Tribe palette by Juvias. This is the second time that I have used this palette. I'm not the biggest green person. I know there's some people out there who absolutely adore green, but because I'm not the biggest green fan, like just to show you the palette, don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful palette, but it's just not one that I gravitate toward every single day. And I think my favorite colors out of this entire palette is definitely coral here. It looks like it's a nudie kind of shimmer, but really it reflects green. And this one here, which I have all over my lid, it's so pretty. It's called Chaga. So even though yes, it's going to stay in my collection alongside all the rest of my Juvias palettes, it's just not one that I think I'm going to gravitate toward every single day. I think there's others in that range that I prefer, but I did say that I was going to try and use it different to how I originally used it, and it came out all right. So let me know what you think, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.